Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. And here is a problem pointing to a person. John said, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. How is the person related to John? And as usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. If you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree as follows. So here we have one couple, and that couple has two sons, and one of the sons is married. They have a son, and that son is also married, and they have a daughter. And here is going to be a John. So John. And he is talking about this person. Now let's follow the logic. So his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. His only brother. So we're talking about this person, and we say his only brother. Now we talk about this person, and his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. So at this time John is talking about himself. Father of my daughter's father would be John's father. And again, brother of John's father would be John's uncle. And this is answer C. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.